Do you struggle with speaking English fluently? Do you feel nervous when talking in English? Don't worry, today I will share 5 powerful tips that will boost your confidence and help you speak like a pro. Hi everyone, welcome to English Communication where I help you improve your English skills step by step. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an important lesson. Speaking English fluently is not just about learning grammar, it's about practice, confidence, and the right techniques. So let's get started with tip 1. Tip 1. Think in English. One big mistake learners make in translating from their native language into English. This slows you down. Instead, start thinking in English. For example, when you see a cup of tea, don't think chai. First, just think tea. This small change will make a huge difference in your fluency. It means that first of all you need to think in English. After that, you can think or translate that into your own language. Tip 2. Speak every day. Speaking is like exercising. The more you do it, the stronger you become. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your daily activities or finding a speaking partner. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. Remember, mistakes help you learn. Tip 3. Shadowing technique. Have you ever noticed how babies learn to speak? They copy what they hear. This is called shadowing. Listen to native speaker, repeat after him, and copy their pronunciation and rhythm. Try this with English movies, YouTube videos, or podcasts. Tip 4. Expand your vocabulary. Fluent speakers don't just know grammar, they know words. Learn at least 5 new words every day and use them in sentences. For example, instead of saying I am happy, try I am delighted. Small vocabulary improvements make a big impact. Tip 5. Record yourself and get feedback. One of the fastest ways to improve is to record yourself speaking. Listen to your voice, check your pronunciation, and fix mistakes. If possible, ask a friend or teacher for feedback. The more you hear yourself, the more confident you will become. Conclusion, recap, and call to action. So let's quickly recap the 5 steps. The first one is think in English. Second one was speak every day. Third one, use the shadowing technique. Fourth one, expand your vocabulary. And the fifth one was record yourself for feedback. Now I have a challenge for you. Comment below and tell me what is the biggest challenge you face in speaking English. I will read your comment and help you improve. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing and keep speaking English. Thank you.